goodies, I'm looking like I just got lost on the yellow brick road. Where am I? I thought this was going to be easy. Just follow the yellow brick road. How'd I get lost? And why are there flying monkeys? And to find our way home, let's go ahead and drink up some Word of the Week brew.
So, do you want your word of the week or like what?
This week's word is notion. As defined, notion is a noun that means a conception or belief about something. To clarify even more, I think it's time that we beep, 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 boom, sprinkle in some synonyms. Some synonyms for the word notion are idea, concept, and belief. Here it is, used in a sentence. The gladiator had a false notion that he could slay the lion. Bring it on! Oh, I had a false notion I could win this. Run! But hold up, grammar goodies. Little did you know, notion actually has a second meaning as well. Let's dive into it. For this form of notion, it stays in the same part of speech. It's a noun. However, its meaning is different. As defined, notion means an impulse or desire, especially one of the whimsical kind. Just to make it a little spicier, let's go ahead and boom, sprinkle in some synonyms. Some synonyms for the word notion are impulse, whim, and desire. You get the idea to do something. You're like, whoa, I want to do that. Whoa. Here it is used in another example. Kitty Cup had the notion of eating all the lasagna without telling the rest of the family. Ugh. Oh, Kitty Cup, I was craving that lasagna. Weren't you? That's right, she was, because she ate it all.
Guilty. Guilty.
Ugh. I feel like my ears are about to bleed from listening to that guy. I have the notion that he's gonna keep on blabbering. So let's push him to the side and add in some antonyms. Some antonyms for the word notion are fact, actuality, and reality. Ugh, that guy, absolutely exhausting. But you know what isn't exhausting? Taking the Word of the Week challenge. That's right. What I want you to do is write an original sentence that uses the word notion in it. Then go ahead and boop, pop that into the comment section. If it makes us and it uses the word correctly, we'll go ahead and give you a shout out in an upcoming episode. Well, grammar goodies, that's it for today. I'm gonna have to go out and find something else to eat because my lasagna's gone. I'm hungry. Anyway, my name is Mr. Goodie Grammar. Thank you so much for dropping by General Grammar. And come in anytime. I'll see ya.